welcome. Julie Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I'm coming to you today with flipping cups. I am using my new pouring medium. Keep it simple. It's a concentrated pouring medium, meaning you have to dilute it about 70-30. There will be a mix. There is a mixing video up, even though the instructions are on the side of the container. So don't forget to keep your containers when you've used them, because they're a good quality to mix paints up and reuse, because they've got the squirty top. So don't throw away your containers. They're always good to reuse. So keep it simple. Pouring medium, and I like to call it KIS. So there you go. All of my paints have been mixed up with my new pouring medium. As I've explained before, once you've mixed up your pouring medium and you add to your paint, every different paint colour always seems to require a different amount of pouring medium. So I can't give you the exact ratios for every single mix, because they're going to be different. Some metallics need less pouring medium or more pouring medium, and the same if you do use other brand paints. I do not have any idea how they will mix, whether you'll need more or less. But anyway, it works wonderfully for all different techniques. So I'm going to do a flip cup pour, which is probably a technique that maybe 90% of people that ever discover acrylic pouring, they find the flip cup first, and I certainly know I did. So I am going to do a flip cup on this 40 by 50 canvas, and let's get to it. So all of my colours have been pre-mixed up, and I've just used them for a previous video, so gonna go again. Just gonna put my colours in. Now when you're doing flip cup pours, you can very well pour them like I am here, which is you can either pour down the side of your cup like that, or you can pour into your cup like that. If you pour into your cup like this from a height and do a sort of a swirl, the different technique for layering or swirling, it means if you layer like this, you might get color blocks. If you pour it in like the swirl like I did, then the colors seem to mix. But if you're doing it that way, I always find it better to do the paints a little bit thicker if you're going to do the swirl method, because if the paint is thin, they will mix and may go muddy. So I'm going to add a bit of the cool blue, and I'm doing it in the swirl. Might just do this one separate and see if we can see any difference. There is no rules. Remember, the only rule in acrylic pouring is there's no rules. There really isn't. Just your art, your rules, your way. So to that, I'm going to add some of Global's fluoro pink, which I love the fluoro colours, because they do actually really give some of the work you do a really good pop. Pour it down the side. Rightio. Haven't got enough for that one, so that misses out, but that's absolutely fine. Fine. So we'll go back to the creamy colour. So flip cups are always fun. Always fun. Rightio. I will add some of this delicious violet. Or is it? No, it's lilac, not violet. The little darker one is violet. I'm going to just keep it with that one and see if may not make any difference but I just find that that's what happens when I do the swirl, as I said, I'll call it the swirl, I just find that you get more of the colours sliding over each other when you come to flip them. But it's all personal choice. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way, not in acrylic art, certainly not. Rightio, go back to this lovely cool blue. Add in the darker colour will certainly make the rest of the colours pop, because it'll have base colour behind it that's nice and loud, and that'll make them pop. Rightio, I'm going to add some fluoro orange. Oh, this is going to be a bright and beautiful pour. Fluoro orange. It's really like just summer madness, this one. It's all the beautiful colours of summer here in Australia. So, like, I just make up all the cups full and just keep painting till I've used all my cups and different techniques that week. But of course, you may not want to do it or do such prolific pouring as I do. But if your paints are kept in an airtight container, you can certainly reuse them again. And that's where I find those containers great to reuse the paints in them. Now I have got that fuchsia colour here, and this is a little bit thicker than the rest of the paints, so we're going to just try in a couple of the cups. I never you know, I never sort of throw anything away, because with this flip cup pour you can basically put, you know, anything in there. That's the kookaburras outside going off. Rightio, we'll go back to this fuchsia. It's pretty similar to that. I think we'll finish it off with the cream again. Remember, when you're doing flip cup pours, the first colour you put in your flip cup is the last colour that'll come out. So like I said, you can layer your cups exactly how you choose. There is no rules. So there you go. Just about used up all of my colour. I think I've got one little bit of this blue. Cool blue. Might as well use every last bit. Rightio, there we go. I'll move my other cups out of the way because I've got a habit of knocking them all over. And so this is literally flipping cups. You just grab your cup by the bottom and flip it. Flip it, flip it, flip it. They slide it in. Oh, they're moving on the move. Okay, let's see how we go here. I'm hoping that I've got enough paint. Wow, wow. So I might go down with this one. Remember, this is the one that I just layered. I'm pretty sure you may not see any difference. Wow, those colours. Gorgeous. So that's kind of flip and lipped. Wow, wow, wow. See, look at those cells popping up in that already. No silicone. No Floetrol. Wow, wow, wow. Now, what I'm doing now is just a very gentle tilt. So there's no hurry with this, and just do it very gently. And the colours are sliding over the top of each other. Obviously down this end is a lot thicker. I could put a bit of white in the corners just so I can stretch it out. So just take your time. Wow, Come down here. That is gorgeous. Kind of looks very geographical, should I say, like an aerial photo over a beautiful ocean by the look. Now just very slowly. Take your time with this, don't rush it, because you can lose some really nice effects if you just rush and tilt it all off your canvas quickly. So this is how the sides of your canvas gets covered in paint too. Wow, that is just beautiful. Just nice and slow, it's all part of the process, so you enjoy. Wow. I don't want to go back down this corner, so I might have to just... Actually, I've got a bit of paint left in the cup, so I can always go back over that to bring a bit more of that orange in with the blue. Look at that popping with the... Just take your time. It's got some marvellous effects in this. Always is a nice surprise. You can never have two the same, that's for sure. For sure to be sure. Nice and slow. That's it. I'm going to come back. Just come back and recenter. Wow. If you've got any bits of paint left in, you can go over your corners. What I haven't done for a long time, and you can put a ribbon of your, if you've got some nice colours left in the bottom, like I think I would if I'd got a lot of the dark blue, ribbon it like so. Called ribbon it through, so you get another line of something interesting in your overall. Just ribbon any leftover paint through. Always looks nice. Let's go a bit here. I've got a bit left here. Let's ribbon it through. Wow. Now let's see if I add heat to it just with my heat wand, what we get. Gorgeous. That's beautiful. I mean, mine are really nice, bright, out there colours, and this does look really lovely with these colours, but also looks probably a lot more classier or classic if you use the neutral colours and the metallics like the gold and bronze, and I make a 50% silver, 50% gold. It makes beautiful colours. So, but I am super duper happy with that. I don't think I've done one of those in a while. So super happy with it. If you give it a go, have fun, enjoy every minute. And if you want to gift them to family and friends or sell them, then, you know, to win a chicken dinner. Okay, my lovelies, please take it careful up to Christmas. I know there's lots of people in countries that are having snow and ice. So please take it very easy on the roads and don't get too stressed over Christmas. You can buy gifts any time of year. It doesn't have to be on that one day. Stress you out. Do not max your, don't max your Visa card. And the other thing is, here in Australia, we've got to be careful of the heat because we're in summer now and we're having some absolutely humdingers of hot sunny days. So be sun aware and put on your protection. Okie doke. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.